Greetings everyone and welcome to question number 7 of YÖS Examination Mathematics 1 section. For this question we have chosen a question which was already asked in YÖS Examination in the year 2013. So let's see what the question asks us and what is the process we need to follow to get to the right answer. In this question we have a over b which is equal to c over d which is equal to e over f which is equal to 1 over 5. And we are given 2a minus 3c plus 5e which is equal to minus 8, and we have 2b plus 5f which is equal to 35, and we have to find the value of d. Now as you can see in this question we are dealing with proportions and ratios. So what are the rules that we can use for when we are dealing with proportions and ratios that can help us get to the right answer, which is in this case d. Now you see we have the numerator of these fractions are a, c and e, which are the same variables that we have here, a, c and e. Now what do? I will try to multiply the numerators with the same numbers that they have here. As you can see we have unit a, so I will multiply a with 2, I will multiply c with minus 3 and 5 and e with 5. But please make no mistake that you only multiply the numerator without multiplying the denominator as well, because if we do so we will change the value of the fractions, which will become which will lead us to the wrong answer. So we have to make sure that we keep the value of these fractions the same. Therefore we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. So here I will multiply this fraction by 2, I will multiply this fraction by minus 3, and I will multiply this fraction by 5. So let's do that. We have 2a over 2b which is equal to minus 3c over minus 3d which is equal to 5e over 5f which is equal to 1 over 5. Now, what is another rule we can use when we are dealing with proportions and ratios is that I can add the numerator and I can add the denominator, and that will be equal to 1 over 5. So that is a rule that we can use to get to the right answer. So we have 2a minus 3c plus 5e over 2b minus 3d plus 5f, and that must be equal to 1 over 5. So now using this rule we have been able to simplify the work as much as it could get. So what do we have as a numerator? We have 2a minus 3c plus 5e, which is the same values that we have here, so that will be equal to minus 8 over 2b plus 5f. 2b plus 5f is equal to 35, so we have 35, we have minus 3d plus 35 which is equal to 1 over 5, and all we have to do now is cross multiply. So we have minus 40 which is equal to minus 3d plus 35, and that will be equal to 3d which is equal to 75, and d will be equal to 25. And this is the right answer for this question, and this is the process you need to follow to get to the right answer. Please make sure you don't forget these rules when you are dealing with proportions and ratios, because they will make your work very easy and very simple, and of course save you a lot of time in your exams. This was question number 7, and I will see you on the next one.